Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, rising to an elevation of over 3,200 meters above sea level, stands the majestic Mount Titlis, a crown jewel of the Swiss Alps. Located near the charming village of Engelberg, just a short drive from Lucerne, Titlis is not only a natural wonder, but a year-round destination for adventurers, families, and dreamers alike. As you ascend by cable car, the world's first rotating cable car, known as the Titlis Rotaire, the breathtaking panorama unfolds before your eyes. Snow-capped peaks, deep valleys, and pristine alpine forests stretch out in every direction. At the summit, you're welcomed into a world of eternal snow and ice. Even in summer, the glacier here remains frozen, offering a truly unique experience above the clouds. Dare to walk across the Titlis Cliff Walk, Europe's highest suspension bridge. Suspended over 500 meters above the ground, it's a thrilling yet safe adventure with views you'll never forget. Explore the mysterious Glacier Cave, a tunnel of shimmering blue ice that takes you deep into the heart of the mountain. The cave is over 5,000 years old, a silent, frozen world that tells stories of time and nature. For thrill seekers, skiing and snowboarding on the glacier slopes offer an unforgettable alpine rush. And for those seeking tranquility, there's nothing quite like sipping hot chocolate while overlooking the snow-dusted peaks. Mount Titlis is more than just a mountain. It's a place where nature, innovation, and wonder meet. Whether you're riding the ice flyer chairlift over deep crevasses, hiking through alpine trails, or simply soaking in the silence of the snowy world, Titlis offers something for every soul. A visit here isn't just a journey through the Alps. It's a journey into the very heart of Switzerland's breathtaking beauty. So take a breath, look around, and let the magic of Mount Titlis stay with you long after you've left its snowy peaks behind.